Hey guys, welcome to my channel NIRRPJEET Crafting Your Curiosity. In today's video we learn how to draw 3D mandala pattern. Let's start. First of all we need sharpener, compass, rubber, scale, protector and A4 size sheet. Now you can draw the horizontal and vertical line where horizontal and vertical line intersect, that is called the center of our page. Now draw the 2 centimeter circle. Next circle we draw at 6 cm. Now with the help of the protector, we draw the angles. We place the protector in the center part. Now we draw the points. We mark the point at 10 degrees each. Now we measure the difference from the center and draw the circle randomly. In this step, draw the circle very carefully. All the circle pass through from the center of the page. As you see, it gives the very symmetrical look to our mandala pattern. It is all up to your choice. You can draw with the pencil or either you can draw with the pointer pen. Now with the help of the eraser, erase the drawn circle inside the mandala pattern. Now place the protector in the center and draw the circle of 1 cm and shade it with the pencil. Now you can shade the outer leaves, give the flower look to our mandala pattern. Now you can shade the different parts and the portion with help of pencil. as you see, our mandala pattern is done. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, so you never miss any update on my channel. Thank you.